In this video, I will show you how to check which apps have access to Google Fit. First, open your Google Fit app on your phone. Now, head back to your home screen and open the Apple Health app. At the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Once you're inside your profile, scroll down until you see the Apps section and tap on it. Here you will find a list of all the apps that are connected to your Google Fit. Some common ones you might see are MyFitnessPal, Strava, Runkeeper, or Headspace. If you tap on any of these apps, you can check exactly what type of data they're sharing with Google Fit, like steps, workouts, or calories. And that's how to check which apps have access to Google Fit.